y'all, before we jump into today's video, I wanted to do a little self-promo. I will talk about this more later, but if y'all do not know, I actually have a blog. This is something that I've had since literally like the start of high school. I kind of dropped it off the last year or so, and I'm picking it up again now, so that will be linked down below if y'all want to check that out. Hey everyone, my name is Madison and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought I could vlog a little bit. School starts in just a few days, and not only do I want to get everything, like my iPad and everything set up, which is a separate video for y'all, but I thought it could be fun to kind of get myself more ready for school, if that makes sense. I have some makeup I got that I thought I would show you all. I'm gonna do my teeth whitening strips, which I got the other day that I could really use. Paint my nails, which like is kind of a big deal for me. I just normally get too lazy to do stuff like that. We got some random stuff to do today. I want to try to clean and organize too before the school year starts and just really get my life together before all hell breaks loose. So let's go. I know I just have the most amazing bathroom lighting and it's probably echoing. Maybe I should open the door. Would that help? Possibly. Okay, I feel like it's echoing slightly less, but I got some whitening strips, which I don't feel like my teeth look horribly like not white, but you can always tell after you do whitening strips a few times, and it makes a big difference. So alrighty, I just got the classic white strips. It says use once a day for 30 minutes. Okay, oh gosh, I feel like I'm totally talking weird. I'm gonna leave these on for 30 minutes. I sound ridiculous. I know, oh, okay, maybe I can talk normal. Maybe it's just, I feel like my tongue might peel the back of them off a little bit. I'm gonna try to clean my room while I let these sit. I am so stupid. Okay, my room is a mess and I would love to have it at least like slightly more organized than it is right now, and not just like pick it up, but like genuinely try to organize my garbage. So necessarily know if I can see like an immediate difference, but normally with these things it takes a few tries. So I'm gonna keep using these, and I don't know, probably do them every other day or something like that. But so I spent like that half an hour cleaning my room, and part of me thinks it doesn't look that much better and part of me thinks it looks a lot better. You'll probably know I've gotten really into plants lately. So I picked up this cute little ivy vine right here. Look at how long this guy came. He was like $4 at King Soopers, and I'm a big fan. We have our bird's nest snake plant over there. I don't know how well this guy's doing. Got a few little guys here that are propagating pretty nicely. A baby little snippet of snake, or my bird's nest snake plant. This little elephant bush, I think that's what this is, isn't doing very well. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. And then another little guy over here that seems to be absolutely kicking. So this has been a very fun little hobby of mine lately. And then y'all may have seen this guy in the background of some videos. This is a pearls and jade pothos, And he's got a few little brown spots that I'm not quite sure what I'm supposed to do with, to be honest. I'm like in no way an expert, but he's so cute and I'm really excited to watch him grow. I might put some like skewers or something or a chopstick back there so it has something to grow up, but woo. I have some makeup here that I thought I would show you all. I've picked this up like honestly probably so long ago and I kind of just forgot I had it. It was actually like at my house at home, like not my like house at school, if that makes sense. I've been wanting to get more, I don't know how to put this. I want to make more of an effort to work on my appearance. I feel like there are definitely days where I get like lazy and sloppy, like today where my hair is just like looking like garbage, and I'm wearing a big boxy baggy shirt, but you know, that's okay. Sometimes you just have those days, but especially for class and things like that, I want to make more of an effort to look a little bit more presentable. Just like I put a little bit more effort in and maybe even slightly more professional on some days, even if it's just like me wearing different earrings or an extra necklace or having my nails painted or doing something new with my hair. Like little things like that I feel like make me feel so much better about myself, and I feel like when I feel a little bit better about myself I come across that way too, and I really want to, like I said, look a little bit more professional. I'm in such a professional kind of learning environment, so either way there's that. So the first thing I got here is, this is the Clinique Chubby Stick in the color Super Strawberry. It just looks like this, really cute, really simple. I love the packaging. And then, oh, I just messed it up a tiny bit. It kind of looks like a crayon on the top there. These are so nice, just add a little pop of color, and I feel like it's so much more moisturizing than a typical like lipstick or something, and also doesn't, they're not quite as bold, at least this color is. This is my favorite shade. Oh, and they actually describe it as a moisturizing lip color balm, so super excited about this. This will just be something I can throw in my purse or my backpack. Well, I say that, we'll see how much use I actually get out of this. Masks are now required for at least the time being in the classroom or in any time you're inside a university building, so that's a little bit of a bummer. But I also went and picked up another one of the Urban Decay eyeshadow singles. This is in the color Scratch. Y'all probably have noticed how much I love like simple kind of pink shimmery shades for eyeshadow. I never do anything super outrageous. I think mainly because I have no idea what I'm doing and I'm scared it's gonna look like absolute garbage. The Urban Decay Naked 3 palette I am obsessed with, and of course y'all saw a few months ago I picked up 2 of the glossy lid stars that I've been using all the time. So like I said, this is just the color Scratch. This is so freaking adorable. Like I said, just a nice little shimmery kind of light pink mauve-ish color there. I don't have anything on today just because I was kind of, like I said, feeling lazy this morning, but I have no idea what I'm doing, so I tend to just throw something all over my lid and call it a day, and these colors I feel like are the cutest, so super excited about this. And then I picked up 2 products from Benefit here. This is the Dandelion Twinkle. This is just a super nice little highlight. It's definitely got more of a pink undertone to that, and the packaging on these guys is absolutely adorable. I never tend to gravitate towards highlights and blushes and bronzers and things like that, but my thinking is maybe if I have it I'll try to use it more. So I'm gonna see how I like this and maybe kind of play around and try to learn from it a little bit more. And then I also picked up the California. This is a blush, like I said, from Benefit, and y'all, this is the most amazing packaging ever. I have been eyeing this up for the longest time and I'm honestly a little bit scared to use it because it's so gorgeous, but look at how stunning that is. I love how there's just a little hint of shimmer there in the middle to it. It's got this nice kind of pinkish corally color. When I do tend to wear blush, I like the more corally colors as opposed to some of like the deeper, darker, more like cool toned blushes, if that makes sense. So I'm super excited about this. Is that not so pretty? And then the packaging on the outside is adorable. So super excited about these guys. Like I said, hopefully because I'll have them, I'll gravitate towards them more. And I want to make an effort, like I said, to try to do something a little bit new and outside my comfort zone every day, because self-betterment. Let's go. Sitting at my desk brings back so many memories. I've like not sat here in forever. Man, I gotta get used to it because homework is right around the corner. I think today I'm gonna go ahead and do my nails with this navy blue color here. We're gonna go with this navy, and I might watch some YouTube while I do it, so. I've gone ahead and painted my nails, and y'all, I'm so bad at painting my nails. I'm just gonna let this dry, and I might go get a Q-tip later, but yeah, we'll see what else I end up doing today. Of course, what I was hoping was in the mail wasn't there. I got an Amex card, which is really, really exciting, and I've been waiting for it to come. I mentioned this before. I have affiliate links down below where y'all can get $100 on Amex if you spend $2 grand in 6 months. You get $100 free if you use that link down below, and then of course if you get approved for the credit card, and then you get $50 with the Discover one just for signing up, and then $20 every year if you have a 3.0 or higher, which is really, really cool. So if y'all want to use those, I use my friends like referral links to get these discounts and deals. I mean, that's literally free money. Please use it responsibly. Use your credit card responsibly. Please do not go into credit card debt. That is my spiel. If y'all want to use those down below, I do make commission on that, but you get $100 or $50 plus grade money. So it's a win-win situation. And like I said, I use my friends' referral links or like affiliate links, which help them out, and then it helps me out too, because then I get extra bonuses when I sign up with their code. So either way, if y'all want to do that, use the links in the description, and please be safe. Do not go nuts, but if you use a credit card wisely, it can be a great thing for building up your credit score, getting loans on a house, a car, lower interest rates, that sorts of things. So that's my piece of advice. But thank you so much for watching today's video. I think I'm just gonna end this there. I felt like I was honestly pretty productive. I'm so happy with how much more like put together and organized my room feels. My teeth are gonna look so much better. I'm going in with hopefully not terribly painted nails. They don't look great right now, but I think I just like kind of couldn't get as much off as I was hoping, and then with the Q-tip, and then I'm scared to like take too much off regardless. Oh, what a day. I feel like I've done nothing, but at the same time, like, I know deep down I've been productive. So I am probably gonna go work on some editing, maybe watch some YouTube. I don't really know. I've got a few hours until dinner. So either way, thank you for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you all next time. Peace out. Bye.